Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find out for free if a YouTube channel is monetized or if a YouTube channel has a monetized videos. Let's jump on YouTube first and let's find a channel that we want to inspect. For this example we're gonna go over here on Bloomberg, right? Now when we're at the Bloomberg official YouTube channel, all we gotta do is to click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then we have to click share and then we have to copy the link. After we copy the link from the actual YouTube channel on our clipboard, I want you to go on Google Chrome and I want you to look for this particular website over here. It's called isthischannelmonetized.com. You want to click on the website. Then you want to scroll down and you want to paste the link that we copied from the channel. Then click check monetization. Well, if you can see over here, the channel Bloomberg Television is monetized. As of January 16th, Bloomberg gathered 775 million views and 1.8 million subscribers. Very, very well. This website also gives you some other numbers that you could potentially judge for, right? The CPMs, the potential categories, what kind of money could be made with that amount of views. So you can see over here that the best CPMs are digital marketing, finance. We're talking about $15 million this YouTube channel has generated. Crazy, I know. But guys, this is how you find out for free if a YouTube channel is or isn't monetized. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.